Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. Here the given question is find the root of the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So we are going to solve this equation, quadratic equation, applying quadratic formula, and the given equation is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let me write down this question as on the board, and the given question is 4x to the power 2 plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. And guys, we are going to use the quadratic formula here. I believe by this time we all know what is the quadratic formula. So but still let me put down the quadratic formula here on the board so that it will be easy for all of us. Quadratic formula is denoted by or is given as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is what the quadratic formula says. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us focus on this given equation. The given equation is 4x to the power 2 plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. How it is? Because coefficient of x to the power 2 is 4. So here a is equal to 4. Coefficient of x here is 4 root 3. So we consider b as 4 root 3 and the constant term is 3. Now let us find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, which is nothing but b square. Here b is 4 root 3. So I am finding out, just taking the b and squaring it, minus 4 into a value is 4 and c value is 3. So I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 root 3 square. We can write 4 into root 3 into 4 into root 3. Guys, in the exam, if you get confused, just write down the things like this. Instead of directly calculating 4 into 3, just I am putting it in the way so that it will not get any confusions here. Minus 4 for the 16, 3 is 48. Or I can say b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 into 4 is 16, root 3 into root 3 is 3, 16 into 3 is 48. So 48 minus 48 plus 48 minus 48, we are getting b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So guys, we very well know that when b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then definitely real root exists. And here we are getting b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So whenever we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will get two equal roots of x. If we get one value as 2, the other value definitely will be 2. Okay, now let us put these things in this quadratic formula and find out the values of x. So I can write x is equal to minus b. Here b is 4 root 3. So I can write minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac, which is nothing but root over of 0 upon 2a. So the value of a here is 4. So I can say that x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 by 2 into 4. Now let us solve this. What we are getting, x is equal to, I can write, is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus 0 plus or minus 0 upon 8, or I can say x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8, or I can say x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So this is what we are getting. We got the value of x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, and definitely as b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we can say simply, we can move ahead and say that the other root is minus root 3 by 2. So these are the two values or the two real roots that we are getting for x or for that given quadratic equation. One is x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and the other one is x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Hope guys you understood this calculation of process. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just use the quadratic formula and try to find out. Guys, if you still have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.